Hi and welcome to the Spinal Institute's 3 steps to a pain-free back. Have you ever wondered how your back goes out? You know, this might have happened to you or a cousin or a friend, but everyone knows someone that all they did was bend over. Either they picked up the soap from the shower or a pencil and then suddenly they're in searing pain, or they went into the fridge and then suddenly, their back goes out. Well, how does this happen? I mean, well look, put it this way, I'd understand it if my friend came up to me and said, "Oh, I've hurt my back again." I said, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah, it hasn't happened for 6 months. But there it goes, bang, I'm in bed again with muscle relaxants, laid flat on my back for 2 days again." I said, "Well, what did you do?" "Well, I tried to pick up a train." Well, I'd understand that, because a train's heavy, right? You go, "Yeah, well, that's way too much for your back to cope with." But to pick up a pencil and your back goes out? So what's really happening here? I mean, are our backs really that fragile that we can pick up something as tiny as a pencil or a shampoo bottle and suddenly we're left in searing pain again? I'm going to teach you today in our 3-step method what causes your back to go out, what is actually happening, so then you can avoid it happening in the future. Now, because unless we remove the causes of your back pain, well, let me just show you an example. Here's Ralph. Ralph suffers from back pain. Ralph suffers from back pain because I hit him with a baseball bat across the back all day, every day. Yeah, I hit him when he's slouching in front of the computer, when he's bending forward in the garden. I hit him and I hit him and I hit him. And to tell you the truth, it's quite fun. But unfortunately for Ralph, well, he doesn't see the joy in it. So, let me ask you this. If I asked you, what would be the best way to help his back pain? What would you say? Get some chiropractic treatments? Some massage? Acupuncture? Get his chakras balanced? Check his diet? Get me to stop hitting him with a baseball bat across the back? Well, that's not a bad idea, is it? You see, the cause of Ralph's back pain is me hitting him with this bat across his back, right? And if Ralph went and got any treatments and spent all his money on medications or chiropractic treatments, for example, without having me stopping hitting him across the back with a bat, well, you see, this is the cause of his back pain, right? And for him to spend all of his hard-earned money, not to mention his precious time, well, that would be just wasting his money. It'd be downright crazy, wouldn't it? Because we've not got rid of the cause, me with the bat. But this is what the majority of people do. Their back goes out, they go and get treatments, but they've never ever even thought about, perhaps, what causes their back pain. So I'm going to show you, in the very first step, what are the things that harm your back so that now you can heal your back. The second step, we're going to look at pain-relieving exercises and deal with anything like spinal stenosis, sciatica, and I'm going to show these exercises. These exercises are inspired by Robert McKenzie, a brilliant physiotherapist, and these have helped millions of people worldwide. In step 3 of our 3-step method, I'm going to show you how you can maintain your healthy spine.